Chۇvash. Uzbek. Chۇvash is a Turkic language spoken primarily by the Chuvash people in the Chuvash Republic or Chăvashia of Russia, with smaller communities in neighboring regions and among the Chuvash diaspora. It is the only surviving member of the Oghur or Bulgar branch of the Turkic language family, making it significantly distinct from other Turkic languages like Turkish, Kazakh, and Uzbek. Chăvash is an agglutinative language, but differs from most Turkic languages by lacking vowel harmony and featuring unique phonological and lexical characteristics. It is written in the Cyrillic script and has been heavily influenced by Russian due to historical and political factors. With around 1 million to 1.5 million speakers, Chăvash holds official status in Chuvashia, but the language faces challenges from declining usage among younger generations. Efforts to preserve and revitalize Chăvash include educational programs, cultural initiatives, and media content promoting the language. Uzbek is a Turkic language of the Karluk branch and serves as the official language of Uzbekistan. It is spoken by over 35 million people, primarily in Uzbekistan, but also in neighboring Central Asian countries, Afghanistan, and diaspora communities. Uzbek has undergone significant linguistic and script changes over time, historically using Arabic, Latin, and Cyrillic scripts, with modern Uzbekistan favoring Latin script. Unlike many other Turkic languages, Uzbek has lost vowel harmony, likely due to Persian influence. It shares strong lexical and grammatical influences from Persian, Arabic, and Russian, reflecting the region's historical and cultural interactions. Despite these influences, Uzbek maintains its Turkic roots and grammar and syntax, making it a unique bridge between Turkic and Persianate cultures.
Bir, iki, vish,
üç,
tovat,
dört,
pillik,
beş,
ulta,
altı,
şiç,
yetti,
sakır,
sakkiz,
tıhır,
to'qqiz,
vunna.
10.
Тінжіне пейді юратнаран турықайын пірден бір таван өвілне бана. Шакнавал үненеген зембериде ан бітчірдезе. Әмірлік бұрнышлы бұл чірдезе дуны.
Zero Xudo olamni shunchalik sevdiki, o'zining yagona o'g'lini berdi. Toki unga ishonganlardan birontasi halok bo'lmasin, balki abadiy hayotga ega bo'lsin.
Ey shuldiat temir, sanın yadu hizeplendir.
Bizning osmondagi otamiz, sening muqaddas noming ulug'lansin.
Sanın patşalığı gildir. Sanın irigü şerjince de şüldebegeh buldur.
Sening shohliging kelsin. Osmonda bo'lgani kabi, yerda ham sening irodang bajo bo'lsin.
Payan burunmalık şıgır bar biri.
Bugungi rizqimizni bergin.
Bir hamıra parımlı bulni zene kajarni bek, birin parım zene kajar biri.
Bizga qarshi gunoh qilganlarni biz kechirgandek, sen ham bizning gunohlarimizni kechirgin.
Şılığa an gert biri. Uzaldan xidar biri. Amin.
Bizni vasvasaga duchor qilmagin. Yovuz shaytondan xalos qilgin.